we secured the bag. What's going on, YouTube gang? Oh my gosh, we secured the item. One of a few items. By the time you're seeing this, I have already secured Shining Fates Pokemon on the day of release, same as these, February 19th. What a day it is. But nonetheless, we are here to talk about this shoe today, and you will want to see all of the details that these shoes are packed with. So before I get right into the review, obviously it's a special Jordan 1 release, but hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, help a brother out, helps me and the YouTube algorithm out, and it allows me to bring you more special and detailed reviews. Thank you all, and let's get right to it. This is one of my favorite Jordan 1s to release in a while. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a size 11, but in women's. So unfortunately for people like me that wear an 11, 11 and a half, we were not able to secure our size. That is unfortunate, unless you hit on the Nike sneakers app, but I know like maybe one person that hit over a size 12, which is typically the produced size run for a women's shoe, which equates to a 10 and a half men's. In other words, I'm out of luck. So I did get an 11 women's off of a raffle ticket that I was able to secure. Shout out to Athlete's Foot. But of course it comes with that red box, that nice, tag down there for the box label. I'm gonna go ahead and get these out and we'll talk about them. All right, ladies and gentlemen, especially ladies, this is a shoe for you. It was, like I said, produced and released as a women's shoe. So men will like to get the conversion size if they're able to fit it. Unfortunately, I am not able to do so. So at least I'm gonna bring you all a detailed review, right? That's what I do on this channel, baby. Hit that subscribe button. But the silver toe Jordan 1. I did hit a pair of these on the sneakers app as well. So I am glad that I did get a pair on release day to bring you one of the first reviews possible. But as you can tell, man, this is definitely a Jordan 1 with some potential. Whew! These are beautiful, beautiful shoes. You got that nice tumbled leather silver toe. Then the tumbled silver leather goes all the way back to the heel. And the collar, man, oh my gosh. The collar, it feels so buttery. But something crazy that a lot of people did not know. It is a satin lined Jordan 1 on the interior. Oh man, so similar to the satin snakeskin in the red and black colorway that I reviewed on my channel as well. Go check that out if you're not already familiar with what shoes those are. Man, this is definitely one of my favorite releases that Jordan in general has put out in a while. Aside from the Caramel and 6s, that is a grail, but these are just too good in person. I see this shoe skyrocketing in value. Definitely grab it now if you're interested in grabbing it. I do like how it comes silver Nike Air tag right here. It's a nice little leather edition. And overall, for the shoe in general, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Quality's on point. The leather, all that is beautiful. The colorway is on point itself. Reminds me of a, shadow Jordan 1 with a little mix with the white middle area right here for that leather touch. I can't even describe these, man. I am so happy to get a pair of these in my hand. But also it comes with that shiny silver laces right here. And man, I'm telling you, this has a very, very good potential to increase in value. Aside from the value, for those that are into it for the shoe like me, I'm telling you, go grab these. I'm not playing with you. Go grab them. Get these on your feet ASAP before they go too crazy. I'm telling you. It's got a black outsole, white midsole, silver, black, and white upper, and then it's got that black tongue. So beautiful shoe. Jordan brand executed this perfectly in my opinion. I would not complain at all. At the time of filming this, on release date, they're going for about $285 to $300 depending on who your buyer is, what market you're selling in. This morning was stressful. I had to run and grab these shoes, then run to the card shop to be able to get up on some Shining Fates Pokemon packs that I'm also bringing y'all a review on. Man, it was busy, but we got it done. We knocked it out, made it happen. And y'all know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, the like button, especially if this was something that gave you a nice detailed review. I love this shoe, and I don't say that about every shoe. I'll be honest with you. I'm very picky, but when Jordan Brand or Nike especially does good on a shoe, I give my credit where it's due, man. I give my credit where it's due. I wish I could have got these in my size. I would be rocking this shoe. For men out there that are wondering, is the leather too shiny? It's not. It's really not. Like, this is a very nice shoe. It's not any shinier than the All-Star Weekend Jordan 1s with that teal and like invisibility cloak vibe to it. If you are a man wanting this shoe, you would need to go 1.5 sizes up to a women's size. So like if you're a 9.5 men's, you would need this 11 women's, just so you guys can know the conversion size. It does come with black laces, but I would like to see somebody put these in on foot. That would be a crazy touch. Might be too much silver, I don't know, but man, these give me Silver Surfer vibes, for real. But y'all know what to do, man. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by my channel and stopping along the YouTube journey. I really appreciate you all. Y'all know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, and most of all, be easy.